You probably clicked the link in the bio and you want to know, what is the P.A.C.E course? Does this sound like you? Are you ready to get into the cannabis industry? Do you want to cook with cannabis as a natural alternative? Are you a novice canna cook who actually just wants to cut the learning curve and develop a new skill? If this sounds like you definitely want to stay tuned. Hi guys, so I am Jasmine, better known as Chef Jazz in the cannabis industry. I have successfully cooked with cannabis for over 10 years as a Crohn's survivor. So I'm super excited to develop this course where you and I can create repeatable results so we can cook with cannabis for health and happiness. In this self-paced course, you are going to learn a lot of tips and tricks that I have learned over the years so you do not have to go through the trial and error that I went through myself. So you're going to discover my number one strategy when it comes to creating repeatable results. You'll also discover the big 5. These are the 5 questions that you're going to have to ask yourself in order for you to actually dose at home. And there's no fancy calculations or anything like that required. It really is an empowerment tool, and I love teaching that lecture. You're going to also discover my number one hack to developing and expanding your plant pantry. This is one way that you can ensure that you can cook with cannabis for the long haul. But of course, we're not done. Just because you stayed this long, I want to offer up some exclusive bonuses and then also recipe tutorials so you can get started today. Guys, I can continue to go on and on and on about the fabulosity of what the P.A.C.E course is, but instead, I'm just going to invite you to click that link below, and I hope to see you on the inside.